Hey guys, welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have an amazing 2020 Hot Wheels to unbox today. It's the 91 GMC Syclone. From Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, number 3 of 10, we got this in the red variation. I am loving the red variation. The first edition was a black version, and this is the second version for 2020. Then they came out with like this Car Culture premium version in 2020. In 2021 they had a navy blue version, I believe, and a premium version, or no, a Zamac version. And they also had like a special 2-pack variation, I don't know. Hot Wheels Hot Trucks 3 of 10, new for 2020, 150 of 250 on the year, and it's a 2020 casting. GHF 13 from P-Case 2020. 91 GMC Syclone, born 1991, Troy, Michigan. Designer is General Motors. The Syclone featured all-wheel drive, 4-wheel anti-lock brakes, and a turbocharged V6 engine, which at the time made it the fastest stock pickup truck in the world. Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, 4x4s, and trucks ready to work a race. This has a 2017 copyright. Finally, time to get it open. See what it's all about. Nice clean open, I love that. Let's get a nice look at this 1991 GMC Syclone. Oh, we got slow spinning wheels on it. Maybe this need to be freed up a little bit. There's your look. Nice, we got chrome RA6 wheels on this casting. Not too crazy about them, but they're not horrible wheels. It says Syclone right on the side. Silver design there. Nice, it's like completely like covered off with that bed. And all the red is diecast that you're seeing. Check that out. There's the interior. Cool. 2-door, 2-seater. Get a nice look at that. The front is not painted. I don't think it's supposed to be painted, so I don't think we're looking at an error here, but GMC on the front. It's a nice GMC casting. Syclone again on the side. Pretty plain casting, but uh-oh, we got some details on the back. Oh yes, really liking it. It just says, does it just say GMC truck on it? Interesting, and it says Syclone. You got the painted taillights as well. They extend to the side, which is pretty cool. Loving that bumper and dual exhaust. Plastic base. Made in Malaysia, 1991 GMC Syclone with a 2019 casting copyright. Thank you for tuning in, and please subscribe for more. Goodbye.